How do you get more HP in LEGO Fortnite? Well, it's super simple. First of all, head to your crafting bench, open it, and head across to the shield tab over here, where you'll find health charms, improved health charms, and other kinds of charms such as this one here. Essentially, you'll be crafting these instead of bits of armor, and you'll be placing them in these 3 slots in your inventory here. This final one I'm pretty sure is for gliders and things like that. These previous 3 are for your charms. Essentially, if we open this up, look at the charms, they'll tell you exactly what they do. This basic one that you can craft off the bat gives you 1 extra heart and 1 armor. To make this, you need 3 silk thread. In order to get silk thread, head across to a spinning wheel with spiders silk, which you get by killing spiders around the world. Simply select it and put silk in, so you get silk thread out. When you have 3 of them, you can craft yourself a basic health charm using 3 bones from skeletons that spawn plentiful at night and 5 wolf claws, of which you usually get 4 when you kill any wolf. This is pretty simple to make, but of course only gives us 1 health and 1 armor. As soon as you upgrade your bench to level 2, you'll get the health charm, assuming you found marble and shells before. Once again, you'll need to make 3 silk thread, you'll need to collect 1 marble from caves in the grasslands, and finally 1 shell from rollers. This, however, gives you 2 hearts and 3 armor. I'll be making 3 of these, so I'll need 9 silk thread, 3 marble, and 3 shells. 3 shells, a whole bunch of silk, and 3 marble. I'm now able to head back here. I'll head across to the spinning wheel, select silk thread, and deposit enough to make 9. So what's that? 18, 27. This is going to take a few minutes to craft. Wait, how many do we need? 3, 6, 9 of these, meaning I'm making way too many. Okay, there we go. That is more reasonable. There we go, 9. I'll take these, head across to the crafting bench, shield tab. Now we can make health charms. So I'll create 1, 2, and 3 of these. Now, if you watch my health bar, I'll go up from 3 permanent hearts and 2 temporary hearts, which I got from eating steaks over here. And see that? We should go up simply by dragging these here. Now, I've immediately got 2 extra full hearts, plus another 2, and another 2 on top of this. Now we've got a huge amount of hearts, and these are all permanent, meaning that they always stay there. If I eat this meat, for example, it'll give me 2 temporary hearts, adding a further 2 on top of it. So, here we go, 1 more. Bam, there we go. We've got a huge number of hearts, most of which permanent, some temporary. Obviously, there are different levels of this, and of course, we can replace our charms with something else. Now, if you head back to the crafting bench, you'll see that the cool-headed charm, which gives you resistance to hot temperatures, gives you 3 hearts instead of just 2, and 2 extra armor. This is great to get, but you'll need sand shells in order to create this, which you'll get from, I'm pretty sure, rollers in the desert. I haven't yet found a desert, so I haven't got access to these resources, but in the future, you'll eventually be swapping out your charms here for upgraded ones, giving you even more hearts to work with. For now, though, we've got a huge improvement over 3, and I'd highly recommend putting time into this, as it's definitely worthwhile. Anyways, thank you for watching. Hopefully you found this video useful. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao!